There you go! Thank you very much, Quincy. Okay, so Quincy can also mimic animal sounds, and that is the sound of a cat. Now the cat! The ringing telephone.
Try this. So if the cat
Speaking of these days, I have practical such great ride journey beach. Nothing else than with benefit. Oh! So low. And there he goes.
Male someone hornbill, and usually typically male hornbills.
Like to try and bring sun. The Hava owls with black colored eyes. Hornbills back here with wings of wool.
Anyone know? Anyone know?
So he's feeding her through the nest cavity. If you want to take a look at the loving gesture, look at the screen. Now this is the female inspecting the nest. Almost 62 species of hornbills in the world.